a barbecue extravaganza. We're trying to find dino beef ribs. They didn't have it at Costco. So let's see if this Sam's Club in Alabama, if they got it.
And the Angus beef patties.
And the Angus beef patties, fresh patties too. We don't want no frozen. Go to your Sam's Club, ask them if they have beef plate ribs, okay? And they'll bring it out to you. You can either take both or you can take one. We got the beef back ribs. We're in Alabama. We're at Darren's house. If you're not following him already, that's AFK Merch. Make sure you go check him out. Brand new smoker. We're gonna show you how to cook everything on one smoker. But we're gonna be barbecuing all weekend. Not just for the 4th, all weekend. The party ain't a party if we don't got no charcoal. And this is where we're getting the B&B charcoal today.
Right here it is.
The mission is accomplished. We're ready to go show you how this cooking gonna happen.
Me and Kunchi here using some Bentley burn bags. Get this grill started.
Let that burn a little bit. We are ready to sear the burgers. It's day 2. We're at the cabins up in some mountain up here in Bryan, Alabama. This right here, we're using the B&B briquettes. So we got the snake set up. We have our lit charcoal right here on the lit. These are going to slowly cause these to burn all the way around, slow and steady. Right now, I have this wide open on the bottom. It's gonna be wide open on top. And we're gonna get our ribs on in about 20 minutes. Beef back ribs here. These are seasoned with the 1836 beef rub from Suckle Busters.
Oh, so they lay better.
Yeah, so the curved edge will be here. Tighten it up a little bit. So this is the space that we got, so we're just gonna make it work, all right? We're not gonna stress about it. We are gonna barbecue, no matter what. So we're still gonna get smoke over the top of the meat. That's really where we want. We're not worried about underneath. All right, so snake method. We think this is gonna run about 4 hours, but we have about an extra hour to spare. All right, so 2 hours has gone by. We got these beef back ribs on the grill with the snake method going. The lid temperature is just over 300. So we know we're still in that 250, 275 range. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like because we're gonna flip them around. So what I'm gonna do is move this one that was farthest away from the fire. I'm gonna move that closer to the fire. Okay. And then this one further away. Day 2, the beef ribs pulled off. They are super tender.
Let them babies rest.
We're gonna let them rest right now. They're in the oven, just chilling. So check this out, what we have in the aftermath of the snake method. Throw them all together. We're gonna spread it out, get the grate on, grill a piece of corn, and you guys are gonna see the delicious dinner. We got 3 sticks of melted butter. Remember, we got 20. We're gonna drop some of the tropical zinger in there. That's my rub. You can find that on my website. This is what we put on the corn. We didn't put any seasonings on the corn. Nothing. All right. This is it right here. This is the seasoning.
Butter and zinger.
We're gonna taste this thing. Darren, let's see how good of a job you did, because I had nothing to do with this.
That's good. That's really good, man.
Mm-hmm.
Real good.
All right, I made it. Pretty sure. So you guys want to see this corn? Mm-hmm. Day number 3, you know, it would not be a barbecue extravaganza without some chicken wings. So check these out. So Darren has never had oxtails, and there's no way you're gonna be my friend as a Jamaican and not have oxtail. So we got the oxtail right here, seasoned up just how I would season it up at home. We're not gonna smoke these today. We're going to do a traditional Jamaican style cook on these. We got some browning on there for the color already. So we're gonna start searing these off in the pan before we get started. Clean bone. Done. We're ready to go. All right, guys, so we are back at Darren's house down here, and we're in Tony, Alabama. Okay, this is a backyard takeover. Darren got himself a brand new offset. It's a really nice unit. I'm going to show you guys what we're doing right now. We're just putting the gauges on. We're live messing around with getting everything right, get the doors to lock right, everything. About to light very first fire that he's gonna light in the smoker here. It's July 4th, 2025. We got a couple monsters here that we got at Sam's Club. Baby back ribs, we got soul chickens, we got some swaggers, white hot dogs, over 100 chicken wings right here. You guys see that the smoker has started to smoke. We are ready. We got a butt here. The pulled pork is the first thing that's going to go on throughout the day. Here you go. This butt is just over 8 pounds. Still got the bone in. And you guys know I like to cross hatch here. This is from the Dominican Republic. Darren got on a trip, so we're going to try it on some pork. So yo, we have spare ribs and we got baby back ribs. We're using some suckle busters here. We got these all seasoned up. No binder, no bullshit.
Now he's going the second rib.
Let's go. Best way that I've come upon for doing a lot of wings. We cook a lot of wings at my house. The oil helps me to make sure the rub spreads around a little bit more evenly.
It's like giving birth. When you pull it out, spank it. Bada boom. We've been cooking since since early this morning. Look at that bone full. Gonna wrap these, move them onto this side, because we're gonna load this up with chicken.
Jamaican jerk right there. This is lemon pepper. Ooh, man. We don't gotta poke the sausage. Done. Backyard Takeover 2025. Come check this out. This is epic. That looks woo-wee. Yes, sir. No wrapping, no brown sugar, no BS. Straight fire, baby. Backyard barbecue takeover in Alabama Fire Kitchen. We are here in Alabama, and this is what we cooked up for you guys. So check out the spread. We got pulled pork, some sausages that were smoked, prime rib, spare ribs, dino beef ribs, chicken wings, jerk chicken, lemon pepper chicken, and some baby back ribs. And we got some fixin' theirs. What do you think about this day there?
Man, it's been an amazing day. We've been cooking since 6 a.m. this morning. We're wrapping up here about 5:30. Happy 4th of July to all of you out there. This has just been an amazing cook. It's been a great time working with you. We've cooked a lot of food. This was a lot of planning. It all came together right here on this platter.
These are with a tropical zinger right here.
I'm gonna try a chunk of this beef rib. That's good, right there.